everybody, welcome back to Popping Pumpkins. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you yet another quick, easy to make recipes, which is Aloo Methi, which is basically a fry of potatoes and fenugreek leaves. Now this recipe is super simple to make, except for the fact that you need to remove the leaves from the stems, which might take some time and some patience. So if we can get past that, it turns out to be a really delicious recipe, so let's jump right in. So for the ingredients, I will be using some cooked potatoes and fenugreek leaves, chopped red onions, some ginger, lemon and sliced green chilies, some salt, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala powder and some cumin seeds or jeera seeds. Now in a pan, we will take some oil. To this oil, I'm adding some jeera seeds or the cumin seeds. Once it begins to splutter, I will go ahead and add the red chili powder. This powder is not very spicy, so I'm only adding it for the color. For the spice, I'm adding the slit green chilies. I'm also adding some ginger pieces. We will mix this up in the oil so that it releases all its delicious flavors. Looks amazing now. To this, I'll go ahead and add the sliced red onions. We will mix the red onions in the oil, allow it to fry until the onions turn golden brown in color. Looks like it's done by now. Now to this, I'll go ahead and add the boiled potatoes, which I've cut into medium-sized pieces. And I'll mix them along with the onion pieces. We'll just allow the potatoes to cook. I have not cooked the potatoes too much. So I'm just allowing it to fry. Now to the potatoes, I'm adding some turmeric powder and mixing that as well. I'm adding a little bit of water because my potatoes are still a little hard. So we'll allow the potatoes to cook thoroughly. I'm adding the salt now. Mix it all up nicely. Now to this, I'll go ahead and add the methi leaves or the fenugreek leaves. We are almost done here. This recipe is super simple, as I said before. There's nothing much to do here. Just mix it all up. And it looks perfectly done by now. Now we just have to top it off by adding some garam masala powder. The garam masala powder has a very strong flavor, so you can entirely skip this step. I like the strong flavor, so I'm adding it. For the tanginess, I'm adding some lemon juice to this. I'm adding 2 entire lemons here. And also the ginger pieces that we added initially, I'm removing it out because I really do not like biting into the ginger pieces. So I have fished it all out. And there it is. Aloo Methi is ready to be eaten. I hope you like it.